Okay, it says ideas about equivalent fraction. Okay, so just fractions that are equal to each other. Okay, but they might look differently. It says use the fraction bars below to show 1/4. Well, here's 1/4. Okay, here's a fourth. 1/4 is right here. 1/4 is equal to how many eighths? How many? Well, if I just drew a line down like this, oh look, 1, 2, 2 eighths. Plus it tells you right here, 1/4 is equal to 2 eighths, and they're just showing it on the fraction bar. 2 eighths. Okay. So Cooper drew these models. He says that 2/3 is equal to 2/6. Is he right? Huh? What did Cooper do wrong? Technically, I guess you could say he is, but if he has 2/3, so he has something like this, right? Here's this thing right here. Okay, then here's 2/3, right? So 2/3 right here. If he wants to know if it's equal to 2/6, okay, if I just cut it in half like this part right here is 2/6. So is 2/6 equal to 2/3? No, it's not. Okay, it's not. Okay. If what he was supposed to do was he was supposed to do this, then it would be equal to a 4/6, not 2/6. Okay. The fraction bars are not divided evenly. This is 2/6. That is correct. Okay, which is actually equal to 1/3, not 2/3. Say draw marks on the number line below to show eighths. Okay. So if I'm going to show eighths, how many lines am I going to need? One less. Like this. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have eighths. Roughly, something like that. Okay. It says which eighth is equivalent to a half. So now I have to write them down. Write them out. So what's the first one? How many eighths? Come on. 1/8. Then 2/8. Then 3/8. Then 4/8. So 1/2 is equal to how many eighths? 4/8. I have to label the fraction number line. Then I can answer my question. So then I have 4/8. What's next? 5/8. Then 6/8. Then 7/8. And then obviously 1 is equal to how many eighths? 8/8. 8/8. Okay, let's go over to number 4. It says your friends each ate a part of their own granola bar. All the granola bars were the same size. So Meg, Joe, Beth, and Amy, they all have the same size. Okay. we had to do Meg's first. So Meg says she ate 4/6. How many sections do I need to divide Meg's granola bar? 6? No. How many sections altogether? Okay, her thing is 4/6. How many sections altogether do I need to have? 6. So how many lines do I need to use? Okay. Try to spread them out evenly. And Joe ate how many? How many Joe ate? 4/8. So how many sections am I going to need? 8 of them. With how many lines? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roughly about that. And Beth, she had what? 6/8. Well, I can divide them the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then Amy, she ate how much? 2/3. So how many sections am I going to need? 3. So how many lines am I going to use? 2. Look at that. So Meg ate 4/6. So I need to color in how many? 4 of them. Joe ate 4/8. I need to color in 4. Beth ate 6/8. I need to color 6. And Amy ate 2/3. I need to color 2 of them. Says, which 2 friends ate the same amount of granola bars? Who do you think ate the same amount? Who? Meg and Beth. No.
Meg and Joe.
Meg and Amy did. Okay? Because look. Look, Meg had 4/6, right? Amy had 2/3, correct? Okay? 2 times 2 is 4. That's why they got that. 3 times 2 is 6. That's how they got that. So look at here's Meg, and I'm gonna go straight down. See? So Meg and Amy did. Okay. Then it says complete the models to show that your answer is correct. That is correct. Look, I drew a line from all the way down. That's pretty good. We're doing it, not having straight lines or anything. All right. Then part B says Fresno divided his granola bar into 2/4. He ate the same amount as Beth. Okay, label the number line to show how much Beth ate. Okay. How much did Beth do? 6/8? So what fraction of granola bar did Fred eat? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right here. 6/8. So Fred ate how many? How much of the granola bar did he eat? How much? 6/8. So it says use the number lines to identify equivalent fractions in problems 1 through 3. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take 1/4 and circle the fraction right below it. Take 2/4 and go straight down. I'm sure that's a better one. And then 3/4 go all the way down. So 1/4 is equal to how many eighths? So look at 1/4 and go straight down. What is it? 2 what? 2/8. 4/8 is equal to how many fourths? So go to 4/8 and go up. How many? 2/4. And then 3/4 is equal to how many eighths? Excuse me?
6/8.
And whatever I'm writing, you're writing, right? Now it says, look at the fractions shown by the shaded circles. Okay? Write equivalent fractions for the shaded part. This is what they mean. What's the fraction for this one right here?
3/4.
3/4. And what's the fraction for this guy? Okay, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how many are shaded in. And how many total? 8. That's your denominator. So they're equal, yes. It says shade 1/3 of rectangle A. So if I'm going to shade 1/3, how many I'm shaded in? Just one section, right? Okay. Then it says, then shade rectangle B to show a fraction equivalent to 1/3. So on rectangle B, how many I'm going to shade in? Dominic, how many I'm going to shade in? I need to shade rectangle B for it to look like this. If I do 3, it looks like that. Does that look like A? No. So how many do I need to shade in? Well, let's see. Does B look like A now? Yes, because if I did 3, it would look like this. They don't look the same anymore, do they? No, they don't. Okay? And the way I know is that if I go straight down, oh, look. Now they look the same for sure. Okay? This, it says write the equivalent fraction. When they ask you this, write the equivalent fraction. What's the fraction for A? 1/3 equals. What's the fraction for B? 2/6. I have 2 colored in with how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are equivalent fractions. That's what they want. Flip it over.